Hi, I'm Debbie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a microwave brownie in a mug. Before you use your microwave or cook anything, you should check with a grown-up and make sure it's okay. The first thing you need is a mug that's 8 ounces or bigger, and you're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons of water, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You're going to mix that all together so it's nice and smooth. And then add your chocolate chips. You're going to put this in the microwave for 45 seconds to 90 seconds. Every microwave's different, so you might want to check it, and if it's not ready after 45 seconds, give it a little more time. When it's ready, remove carefully. It could be very hot. For a special treat, you could top this with ice cream or whipped cream and enjoy. For the recipe and other fun activities, visit uppersaddleriverlibrary.org and click on the team page. Bye.